YouTube. So I have not made a video for so long, so today I will make a video of the updates that I'm getting, because currently there's two packages coming in. One was shipped last Monday via self-register, so it'll take a later time, and another one was shipped today via EMS, so it should reach by tomorrow or Friday. Yeah, one was Ami package and another one was HLJ. So I really like HLJ because they ship very fast, because only yesterday night I paid for my order and today they ship it out already. So yeah, and I heard from another friend that he bought HLJ product and he shipped it via EMS and the next day reached already. So yeah, I really hope my package could reach tomorrow. So one of the package is microphone. Yeah, you know it because it's so hard to get it here because of the sound test failed, so it was unable to come to Singapore. So yeah, and this is the updates. So I hope by this week or next week, I think my self package probably next week will reach, but my EMS probably will reach this week. So thanks for watching. Bye.